How to enable dark mode theme on Google Pixel. Hello everyone, welcome back to Logging Giants. Let's get started. To be able to enable the dark screen mode on your phone screen, as you can see, my Google Pixel is in light theme right now. I want to change it to the dark theme. For that, go to your settings. You will see the option of display once you scroll down, and then scroll down and you will see the option of dark theme. Tap on that. But guys, there's another thing as well. If you don't want to use the dark theme almost every time, then you can schedule it. Long tap on it, you will come to this interface. You will see the option of schedule, click on that. Now you'll have two options with you. Turn on at custom time or turn on from sunset to sunrise. So if you want to custom your time, click on that and you can just set the start time. For example, I'm setting it to 6 and then end time, I want it to end at around 12. And that's it. I have scheduled my dark theme as well. So those are the two options that you get while choosing the dark theme option. Once I'm on my home screen, as you can see, it has changed to dark theme already. And that's it. It's so simple and so basic. If you have any other confusion regarding any other features of Google Pixel, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.